everyone, I am Ibrahim from grade 3F. I bought a working model of the solar system. Now I will tell you the reason behind this. I observed that planets revolve around the sun in different orbits. Then so many questions came into my mind. Why does the planets orbit the sun? Why can they not collapse each other? Why can they not go in different orbits? Which force makes the planets orbit around the sun? I made a hypothesis where the sun's gravity pulls the planets in their orbits around the sun. And I started working on it. Then I took cardboard, planets and the sun, and then I joined all these things together to make the solar system model. Otherwise, let me tell you about the solar system. Solar system consists of 8 planets. That is the sun. Sun is a big star. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Now I will tell you my research about how the solar system was formed. Billions of years ago, there were dust particles and gases trying to merge. Then something called supernova exploded, and then the dust particles press each other and then become into a fast spinning ball. It was spinning faster and very fast. Then a big fireball was appearing, and the temperature of it was increasing very much, and then became the sun we know today. The remaining particles of the sun fused together and got bigger and bigger and turned into the planets and the moons. Now I will tell you that too much high temperature and pressure in the sun made one force that is called the heat gravity that pulls the planet next and make it revolve around the sun. Now I got the results that yes, it is the sun's gravity that pulls the planets to revolve around the sun in different orbits. That I hope you got my point. Thank you.